Welcome to Archiesense. Q8 residence, located in Mont Tremblant, Quebec, blends contemporary design with the beauty of the surrounding forest landscape. The house's closed facade offers privacy and energy efficiency by minimizing heat loss during the winter. The house stretches east to west, with a distinctive crease in the middle. The carport connecting the main house to the storage room provides both practical function and a welcoming design element. The residence is composed of several volumes with different exterior materials: light white cedar, warm larch walls, and solid horizontal concrete. This combination of materials creates a dynamic facade that is in harmony with nature. A terrace at the east end of the second floor offers a sheltered space to enjoy the morning sun. This space, along with an exterior lounge with a fireplace and pool/spa, provides privacy and tranquility in the middle of the forest. The larch exterior material transitions seamlessly into the interior of the house, creating a warm atmosphere. A low-ceiling storage area leads to a two-story open-plan living space that unites the kitchen, dining room, and family room. Interior windows in the two-story living wall create a visual connection between the floors. While also providing plenty of natural light for the home's interior. A hidden kitchen with sliding screens maintains the minimalist aesthetic. The ground floor master suite offers privacy with access to a semi-private terrace with an outdoor shower, interacting with the signature natural stone elements. The second floor features a cozy reading nook with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves and a daybed. The 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on this level include a children's room with a unique, functional bunk bed. The interior of the home uses a material palette that mirrors the exterior, including larch, pine, whitewashed walls, and whiting. This material selection creates harmony between the interior design and the surrounding nature.